Hi, I am Joshua from the League of Amazing Programmers. Today I will be teaching you on how to do if-else statements. So the syntax for if-else statements is first you write if and then you write parentheses. Inside the parentheses you will type the things that you want to check. For example, if we have an integer like and it's 0, and if you want to check if the integer is equal to 0, you would type in this. Once you finish the statement inside the parentheses, you have to type curly braces, and then inside you will type in what you want to do. For example, here I will just type that num is equal to 0. After the first if statement, if you want to have another if statement to check, you can type in else if, and this would make a new if statement to check. So if this one isn't true, then it will go here. But if if the first if statement is true, then it wouldn't process this statement. Then I would do else if num is greater than 0. Then we would print out num is greater than 0. Finally, if you want to do else, this doesn't require parentheses and a statement inside, but it will just do anything. If these both aren't true, then this will process. So in here, if we know that num is not equal to 0 and it's not greater than 0, it means it has to be less. So we would print out that num is less than 0. Let's test this to see if this works. So right now, since num is 0, then it will print out num is equal to 0. But if it's something greater than 0, like 3, then it will say num is greater than 0. And then if it's less than 0, like -5, it would print out num is less than 0. Now that you understand if-else statements, you can try out other projects from the League of Amazing Programmers. Thank you.